Hello there, friends. Thank you and welcome once again to Ebenezer's Recipes. In today's video, I share with you Ghanaian Angwamo or braised rice. You can also call it oil rice. Let's get right into it. To a pot, I'll add in my preferred amount of oil and then I'll add in some sliced shallots. You can use red onion for this as well. I'll be frying this until it is golden brown, not burnt. And this should take about 3 to 5 minutes. Now this is the golden brown that I'm looking for. I'll now add in about 4 cups of rice and then I'll give it a mix. I'll then be toasting my rice for about 3 to 5 minutes, stirring periodically. I like the taste of toasty oiled rice or angwamo. After 5 minutes, I'll add in some hot water. You can as well use cold water and then I'll give it a mix. Please add the water according to the amount of rice you're using or the type of rice you're using. I'm using jasmine rice. I'll then add in some salt to taste and then I'll give it a mix. I'll cover it and allow the rice to cook until it absorbs all the water. I'll then move on to grind my hot pepper. I have habanero pepper, shallots, tomatoes, and then I've added salt to taste. And then I'll grind until it is nicely smooth. My hot pepper is looking good, so I'll scoop most of it out of my earthenware and then set it on the side. I'll then cover my earthenware and then set that on the side as well. It's been about 7 to 10 minutes and at this point my rice has absorbed all the water, so I'll give it a good mix and then I'll be using my wooden spatula to poke holes or create well. Cover it with aluminum foil to cook until it is tender. Whilst that was cooking, I went ahead to fry my ripe plantain. I'll remove it out of the oil and then set that on the side. I also went ahead to crack my eggs. I'll add in some onions, some peppers, salt and black pepper. I'll beat it and then I'll begin frying it. If today is your first time on this channel, a warm welcome to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you have not subscribed yet, please kindly do me a favor and subscribe. To my amazing returning subscribers, thank you so much for your massive support. God bless you for always sharing and commenting on my videos. Everything is ready to go. At this point, I'll check on my rice and then I'm ready to serve. It is perfectly cooked to the way I want it, guys, and it looks so good and it tastes amazing. And this is the best part. Yes, the bottom. All what is left is to serve and enjoy. And I'll be enjoying this in my earthenware, guys. All the sides will come along, so my fried egg. There's no Ghanaian braised rice or angwamo without sardine. I've added my fried plantain and then I have here my peppered gizzard, which I've already shared the recipe on my channel. I've added my pepper sauce and I'm ready to enjoy. All are invited. This is one of the simplest lunch recipes that you can make for your family. I made this for lunch for us and everyone enjoyed it. It is a very simple lunch to put together. Thank you so much for staying with me until this time. I hope you give this recipe a try, and if you do, please kindly leave me a feedback and let me know how it turned out. And until I come on your screens next time, please stay safe and stay blessed. Bye guys.